So your left one doesn't look bad. It's just this right one with all the cracks in there. Is that pretty painful for you?
Yeah, sometimes, and if I put like Neosporin on it, it helps. I just need to keep putting lotion. That one, I think it's because of the rod in my ankle. It just makes it turn. And I think that's why, because I never had that much problems with it until I had broken my ankle. And that's like 10 years at least now, I don't know.
Okay. So when you're walking on this one, it gets kind of sore.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off some of this dead thick skin here, and then we'll smooth it all down. And then over the next couple weeks, let's get you back in here to do it again. And see if we can get this to heal up a little bit. No pun intended.
It's fine.
And get some of these cracks to heal up and go away. Now, because of your diabetes, you pretty much have dry skin everywhere, or is it the worst on your feet?
It's the worst on my feet, but I do. I've had dry skin my whole life, even before I was diabetic. I don't know why. I just am the lucky one.
I feel like it's getting a little hot?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come over to your other foot here. Get rid of some of this thick stuff here. We'll call that. All right, good. All right, so, okay, good. So this felt better after we did it last time, but you haven't been doing the lotion. You got the lotion though?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been doing it like the last 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
And it feels like it's burning on the heel that you're working on right now.
Yeah, that's because this is the one that has all the open
Okay.
little cracks. But if you can keep using it, it will make a huge difference. It will help get rid of some of this thick skin. And it'll get everything softer. I mean, this is already way better than it was last week. And that's just after, or 2 weeks. Was it last week or 2 weeks ago?
2 weeks.
Okay. So. Between trimming off the callus and then using that special lotion. And next time I see you, this should probably, these cracks will probably be pretty close to gone.
Okay.
Does it feel better when you're walking on it than it did 2 weeks ago?
Yeah.
Okay, good. These look like they belong to somebody else. They look great.
Good.
Yeah, so this should make it feel really good. And then did we schedule one more appointment?
No.
Let's do just one more
Okay.
in a couple of weeks, 2, maybe 3 weeks. We'll do this one more time. And then you should be able to manage it at home just with the lotion.
Okay.
Okay?
Because normally I use like pumice stones too, but
Yep, you can do that.
okay. Yeah, I do that on my toe with the callus.
Yeah. Okay. That looks great. All right. All right, well, these definitely look like a completely different person since we started, don't you think?
Oh yeah.
And they feel a whole lot better too, I bet.
Oh yeah.
All right, so let's just get them thinned out again. Heat up a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gonna do a little bit more on this big one and then we'll be done. Let me know if that hurts. It hurts.
I need you to do this to my heels.
Okay. So, these look so much better than when we first started. You've got just the one crack here that's the concern now. And so the lotion on that will make all the difference. And, you know, I'll say at this point, let's just, you know, keep working on them the way that you've been. And we'll just have you back kind of as needed. Okay?
Okay.
Right.